Good morning students, I am Shudipto, your English educator. Today I'll discuss remarkable rocket, and it is the fourth and last part of this short story, Remarkable Rocket. Remarkable Rocket is written by Oscar Wilde. I have already discussed about Oscar Wilde in the very first video. It is chapter 7. It is for class 8 students. So let's begin. Remarkable Rocket, fourth and the last part. Okay, before proceeding this fourth part, I just want to make you remember the plot and something I want to make you remember, the recap of this story. This story is based on a fairy tale. It is, you may say, it is a fiction, or you may tell it is a fairy tale. So in this story there are some characters such as king, prince, princess, fireworks such as a rocket, cracker, a Bengal light, Roman candle, that type of fireworks. This story is happening on a special occasion of a king's son's wedding, and this wedding party, king has decided to arrange a fireworks. Okay, so in that fireworks there are some crackers, some that type of fireworks objects. There was also a rocket. Oscar Wilde has told us that this rocket is a remarkable rocket. Why this rocket is remarkable? Because this rocket is full of vanity. Okay, he always thought about that he is one and only in this world, and he is one and only who cannot be defeated by others, or there are no one in this world who can show their best performance. And the rocket also expressed that he was belonging to a very fantastic or a very remarkable family. His father was also a rocket, remarkable rocket like him, and his mother was it is called a will, one type of Catherine wheel. It is one type of fireworks. So I will start from here. Okay, something is left, that is in the particular occasion when fireworks is going to be happened, in that time the remarkable rocket was being so emotional, because the remarkable rocket was thinking about his family and is the heritage of his family. So in this between, he became very emotional and he began to cry. Some cracker, some other fireworks told him not to cry. If you cry, you may got damaged. Okay, and the same thing happened here. He damaged himself by weeping, by crying, and there was no chance to set fire on it, and it cannot be let off from the ground to sky. All others, crackers and all others fireworks has done their well, has done their performance very well, except this rocket. And finally, the servants or some of the servants came into the garden, and in order to neat and clean the garden, to clean the garden. Usually they threw it away, I mean the rocket, out of the boundary of the garden. So it will happen now. Bad rocket, he said, as he wailed through the air. Impossible. Grand rocket? That is what the man said. Bad and grand sound very much the same. Indeed, they often are the same. Then he fell into the mud. Actually, he was the bad rocket, but he assumed that the worker told him not bad rocket. The worker told him grand rocket. But actually the worker told him bad rocket. But he is assuming, he is thinking that I cannot be a bad rocket. I am always great and I am always the grand rocket. Okay? Then he fell into the mud. He sank a little deeper still into the mud and began to think about the loneliness of genius. क्या हुआ? जब गार्डन में सभी क्रैकर, सभी आतिश, सभी पटाखे एक के बाद एक उसका करतूते दिखाने लगे, तो क्या हुआ? लास्ट में ये रिमार्केबल रॉकेट को आग लगाना संभव नहीं था, क्योंकि वो रो रो के खुद को गीला कर चुके थे. ठीक है. और उसका नेक्स्ट डे क्या हुआ? वो गार्डन में पड़ा रहा, पर वो गार्डन को साफ सफाई के लिए जो गार्डन के जो माली लोग और जो सर्वेंट लोग वो आए थे उसको गार्डन को क्लीन करने के लिए, तभी वो देखा उसके तरफ. पर रॉकेट ने क्या सोचा? रॉकेट ने सोचा, अरे किंग ने तो मेरे लिए एक एक्स्ट्रा कोई रिजर्वेशन रखा है, तो इसी के बहाने वो बात करने आए हैं शायद वो जो वर्कर लोग, क्योंकि अभी भी कोई ग्रैंड कुछ बाकी है. ठीक है. तो वो वर्कर लोग आया, पहले तो उसको बिना देखे वर्कर लोग जाने लगे थे, तो उसी से एक उसको देखा और बोला बैड रॉकेट, बैड रॉकेट. जो अपने काम नहीं कर पाया ये काम नहीं कर पाएगा. तो उन्होंने क्या सुना कि ग्रैंड रॉकेट बोला मुझे, बैड रॉकेट तो हो ही नहीं सकता. इट कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल. आई एम अ बैड रॉकेट एंड द ग्रैंड रॉकेट एवर. Sound very much the same. Indeed, they often are the same. Then he fell into the mud. वो ऐसे सुना, फिर वो कीचड़ में गिर गया. He sank a little deeper still into the mud. वो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके कीचड़ में डूबने लगा. And began to think about the loneliness of genius. वो खुद सोचा कि हाँ, जीनियस ऐसे लोन होते हैं. Because genius are always lonely. Then suddenly two little boys in white smokes came round down the bank with a kettle and some stick. दो बच्चे एक केटल लेके थोड़ा स्टिक लेके उधर ही आया. This must be the deputation. फिर वो सोचा, it must be the deputation. Next somebody are coming to me. There may be some grand occasion for me and it would be another deputation. वो फिर से सोचा, दो लड़का आ रहे हैं मेरे तरफ, ये हो सकते हैं मेरे लिए कोई खुशखबरी लेके आया होगा. हो सकता है कि राजा ने कुछ ग्रैंड ओकेशन के लिए मुझे रिजर्व करके रखा होगा. Said the rocket, and he tried to look very dignified. And he tried to look very dignified. उसको देख के बहुत dignified लगा. Hello, cried one of the boys. एक बोला, hello, look at this old stick. वो देखो पुराना वाला एक स्टिक है, आई वंडर हाउ इट केम हियर, एंड ही पिक्ड द रॉकेट आउट ऑफ द डिच। तो एक ने बोला कि ये स्टिक कहाँ से आया यहाँ पर, तो एक ने उस स्टिक को उठा लिया कीचड़ से। ओल्ड स्टिक, said the rocket, impossible, gold stick, that is what he said. Gold stick is very complimentary in fact. तो वो जो बच्चे, the two boys who came there to pick the rocket out from the ditch, one of them told, oh, what a old stick, the stick is old, it is nasty, okay, it is raw stick here. But the rocket said to himself, oh, what the thing they are telling about, old stick? No, it is impossible, I am not any old stick, I am gold stick. That is what is said. Gold stick is very complimentary. He said to himself that gold stick, they told me gold stick instead of old stick. वो old stick बोल ही नहीं सकता, वो तो gold stick बोला है. In fact, he mistakes me for one of the court dignitaries. वो किसी ने वो कोर्ट में, जैसे मुझे कोई समझने वाला लोग नहीं था, ऐसे करके वो दो लड़का भी मुझे समझ नहीं पाया. एक्चुअली आई एम द गोल्ड स्टिक्स, यू नो. लेट अस पुट इट इनटू द फायर, सेड द अदर बॉय. द अदर बॉय सेड, ओके, सेट इट इनटू द फायर, इसको आग में रखते हैं. इट विल हेल्प टू बॉयल द केटल. सो दे पाइल्ड द स्टिक्स टुगेदर. तो केटल में कुछ था शायद, उसको उबालने के लिए वो लकड़ियाँ एक साथ कर रहे थे, उसको उबालने के लिए. तो वो रिमार्केबल रॉकेट को भी उसके अंदर डाल दिया, पाइल द स्टिक एक साथ करके, एंड पुट द रॉकेट ऑन टॉप एंड लिट द फायर. पुट द रॉकेट ऑन टॉप एंड दे पुट द रॉकेट ऑन टॉप एंड लिट द फायर. दे वो रॉकेट को ऊपर रखा और उसमें आग लगा दिया. नेक्स्ट. This is magnificent, cried the rocket. They are going to let me off in broad daylight so that everyone can see me. So the rocket is telling, oh, it is magnificent, it is my turn. And the boys had done very well to me because they let me here to let me off in this broad daylight so that everyone can see me. I'll be clearly visible to each and everyone. क्या बोला कि वो लोग, वो जो दो लड़का आए थे, वो मुझे यहाँ पर आग दे देगा, और मैं, ये कितना सुनहरा मौका है मेरे लिए, ये मौका को मैं गंवाना नहीं चाहता. और इसी दिन में, अभी भी सूरज है, सभी मुझे देख पाएगा, मैं अपने करतूते दिखाऊंगा. He will go to sleep. We will go to sleep now, they said. And when they wake up, the kettle will be boiled. The boys lay down on the grass and shut their eyes. उन्होंने बोला चलो थोड़ी देर सो लेते हैं, तभी तक वो केटल में जो है वो उबल भी जाएगा और थोड़ा सा हम रेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं. इसलिए वो ग्रास के ऊपर सो गया. एंड शट देयर आइज, क्लोज देयर आइज. The rocket was very damp, so he took a long time to burn. At least, however, the fire caught him. तो चलो लास्ट में क्या हुआ, उसमें आग लग ही गया. Now I am going off, he cried. He cried in joy that it is the time, it is the magnificent time in my life. In this special time, I am waiting for this. And in this special time, I can show my all qualities. Okay? He cried and he made himself very steep and straight. वो खुद को एकदम straight कर लिया आसमान की तरफ. I know I shall go much higher than the stars. I can go much higher than the stars. मतलब मैं तारे से भी आगे जा सकता हूँ, आगे निकल जा सकता हूँ। मच हायर देन द मून, ओ मैं चांद को भी पार करके चला जाऊंगा, चांद से भी आगे निकल जाऊंगा। मच हायर देन द सन, ओ माय गॉड, मैं तो सूरज को भी पीछे छोड़ के और भी ऊपर जा सकता हूं। इनफैक्ट आई शैल गो सो हाई दैट, मुझे और भी ऊंचा और भी आगे जाना है। फिज फिज फिज, and he went straight off into the air. Delightful, he cried, I shall go on like this forever, what a success I am. But nobody saw him, not even the boys, they were fast asleep. Why they are fast asleep? One thing is that they were tired, and the second reason maybe it was broad daylight, everybody in their room, and it was a firework, and firework can be visible or can be seen in the night time, so that nobody can see the magnificent rocket and its various activities at the sky. So I think the lesson is completed here. I have given some question as homework. The first question is, who said bad rocket, bad rocket? कौन बोला bad rocket, bad rocket? What did the rocket guess about the speaker's remark? वो जब bad rocket बोला तो रॉकेट ने उसको क्या सोचा, क्या बोला? Why couldn't the remarkable rocket let off? remarkable rocket क्यों वो गार्डन में जब वो था तब क्यों वो नहीं, मतलब क्यों उसमें आग नहीं लग रहा था, क्यों उसको छोड़ा नहीं जा रहा था? Who picked up the rocket from the ditch? वो कीचड़ से, खंडर से कौन रिमार्केबल रॉकेट को उठाया? What happened finally with the remarkable rocket? अंत में रिमार्केबल रॉकेट के साथ क्या हुआ? Okay, so it is the story. I think it will help you a lot. I have tried myself to give my best, so that you have to study again and again, and you should watch this video again and again. Support me so that I can make this type of video more and more for your betterment. Okay, so I think this video is completed. I'll be there in front of you with a new video, with a new session. I'll try to discuss both in Hindi and English, as per most of the viewers are from Hindi mother tongue as well as maybe English. So it is the last part of this remarkable rocket short story. Thank you. Have a nice day.